Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chingalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688 811 73730
Kat kum ka kendon ka Thymmai jong ka BS6 benta ka baar ka Frank Yamaha ka wanra ki Shaka jong Snem arhajar arpulai ringkat bat ka onboard diagnostic OBD2 system ka rukam Thymmai ka bala penmi ha kini ki Shaka ka banyarap bat kmi ya ka tedem ka bami kan long kat kum ka kendon an ki engine ki bala penkre nak benta ka E20 ki rukam penyang kali ki Thymmai ban penduna susu ya ka jingmi tedem nak benta ka mariang ka bakhoj kat kum ki jing angnut ki nongnya thuk menta las ngokmen ban penbenaru ya ki Shaka shispa san pho cc shispa san pusan cc ken wan ringkat bat ka traction control ka ban yarap ya ki nongnya ban te lakam klem jing artatien ki rukam Thymmai ringkat ki rong Thymmai nak benta jong phi
our territory manager, Mr. Sajib Hassan, area service manager, our proprietor, Mr. Indan Langpasa, our workshop manager, Mr. Tinshain Langpasa, our general manager, Mrs. Eva Rekalinga, public relation manager, Mr. Amar P. Pasa, the staff of Frank Yamaha, our finance team, the Blue Streak members and friends. Thank you all for being here with us. Building upon its legacy, Yamaha introduced the 2023 version BS6 Phase 2 scooters and motorcycles. Equipped with onboard diagnostic OBD system, the updated features that will support in monitoring the emission level and ultimately contributing to reducing carbon footprint. While accelerating its commitment towards carbon neutrality, Yamaha also introduced both scooter and motorcycle segment with E20 fuel compatibility, offering lower emission without any compromise on performance. Adding to the thrill that modern-day bikers truly deserve, we are delighted to announce the traction control system, the TCS, in 150 and 155cc range. This system ensures efficient delivery of power to the wheel and minimizing wheel spin. With a list of highly desired features and exciting new colors will ensure a more exciting and thrilling ride experience. So without further ado, I would like to call our chief guest, Mr. Rakib Hassan, to do the honor to unveil the newly launched product with new features.
Have to shift all the OBD1 to OBD2. But whenever there is changes in the government regulation, Yamaha makes sure that it's come with new features. So we have lots of features in this to bike. So that will be Albert will explain you briefly.
Frank Yamaha is delighted to announce the Blue Streak card for our Blue Streak members.